Are you an employee? You can now register with NHIF online in 3 simple steps. Visit the NHIF website on www.nhif.or.ke and click the Online Registration tab. Click on the Employee option. Fill in the form, attach documents and submit in the following easy ways. Scan the following ready for attachment: your passport size photo and copy of the national ID. Click to confirm. You will receive a notification on the submission status through a notification SMS to the contributor's mobile number. To be a health hero for your family, you need to register your dependents. For spouse registration, click the spouse registration on the menu. Enter your national ID as the contributor. Your spouse's national ID. Scanned copy of your spouse's passport size photo. And if married, attach a marriage certificate. Click Save and Submit. You will receive a notification on the submission status through a notification SMS to the contributor's mobile number. For dependents, click Dependent Registration on the menu. Enter your ID as the contributor. Fill in all form fields. Attach scanned copy of your dependent's passport photo, scanned copy of your dependent's birth certificate. Please note, an NHIF employer code is required while filling in the form. An NHIF number shall be issued and the same shall be sent to the email and mobile number provided. Thank you for registering you and your family to NHIF. NHIF, Afya Yetu, Bima Yetu.